Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 GLC 300 4MATIC. This one's a Mojave Silver Metallic. Underneath it is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 255 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with front and rear LED daytime running lights, 18-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Illuminated star on the grille. Black MB text interior. Pano sunroof. Come around back. Trailer hitch. GLC 300 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. All season and regular floor mats. Fold down rear seats. Cargo cover. Coming alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist. An LED logo which appears when you open the door. Black wood trim Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, ambient lighting, illuminated door sill, heated steering wheel, touchpad steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, touchscreen media display, rear view backup camera. Also included is the multimedia package, which comes with MBUX. You can give it simple voice commands by saying, "Hey, my Mercedes." "Hey, my Mercedes."
How may I help you?
Change ambient.
What can I do for you?
Change ambient light to red. Change ambient light to red.
Okay, I'm changing the color.
Simple as that. You're able to give voice commands. Dual climate controls, hard keys for media display, wireless charging, USB ports, touchpad for infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLC has 5,130 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLC 300 4MATIC, check out feldmannimports.com.